Let's see the next question. The average weight of 8 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 65 kg. What might be the weight of the new person? If you see this question, you can see that it is similar to the earlier question where there are a group of persons and one person has been replaced by another person. Okay, so in such questions, you can use the approach that we used earlier by formulating separate equations for each condition and then substituting the values and finally obtaining the answer. In this question, we'll be using a simpler approach. Before that, we'll first see the options. 76 kg, 76.5 kg, 85 kg, data inadequate, and none of these. Okay, so if the given statements are insufficient to find out the answer, you mark it as data inadequate. Otherwise, you mark the correct options. And if the answer is not there, you mark none of these. Obvious, right? So we'll see how to solve such questions in a much more simpler manner. So what is given? It has been given the average weight of 8 persons. Okay, it increases by 2.5 kg. That is, if the weight was W, it becomes W plus 2.5. When does this happen? When one person and that person's weight was 65 kg, he is being replaced by another person. When this happens, the average weight of the entire group increases by 2.5 kg. Okay, so what is the average weight increase? It will be the total weight increase divided by 8, right? So what will be the total weight increase then? You have to just cross multiply that. Then it will be 8 into 2.5. And what is that? It is 20 kilograms, right? So the total weight increase will be the number of persons into average weight increase. And that will be 20 kilogram. Now what do we have to find? We have to find the weight of the new person who has entered the group by replacing the person with weight 65 kilogram. So how do you find the weight of the new person? If the weight was W, by replacing the man with 65 kilograms, the weight increases 20 kilograms. So what is the weight of the new person? It is very simple. It is 65, which was the weight of the person who was already there, plus 20. That is the weight increase. So the weight of the new person is 85 kilograms. Okay, so the answer option is C.